6-year-old kids.
My name is Calvito.
And this is Colin.
And today we got police helicopter chase.
It's 5+.
212 pieces. And that's what it looks like. So tell us what it's about, Colin.
So this is the police, if you don't know. And this is the phone. And it has handcuffs on the back.
It's an ATV too.
Yep. And this robber has a crowbar and a dirt bike or a motorcycle. Motorcycle. And this girl, she's a robber. You guys see that? There's stuff. Wilma Better stole some of them.
Not true.
And
He wanted me to steal some.
so I did it. And I'm gonna put these back in here.
You get the helicopter.
Yep.
It has the guy in there, the megaphone.
Yep. There's the megaphone.
And this is that's not just all. It got a secret, which you guys can probably tell.
Yeah.
Guess if you guys don't know what this is, it's called
A magnet.
magnet. So
Yeah.
the car runs.
Yeah. And this is a magnet too. Do you guys see that? So it's gonna pick the guy up.
It says magnet right there, so it's super
Magnet.
easy for you guys to see.
Yeah.
Put these pieces back.
This.
So it's gonna be like this.
Yeah. Yeah. Woo.
It's gonna take them all. It's gonna take the thing away. So then it lands, and we'll see you guys next year. But next time, bye.
Subscribe, give a big thumbs up, put on those notifications, and ring that bell.